are here at the 8th and Pine Eastbound Metrolink station here in St. Louis. There's the recently modernized elevator, but these are the Montgomery escalators. There's the platform over there. Now we'll ride back up. And it's actually surprising that both of those are working. And before we end the video, I just want to take a note at the westbound escalators. Oh wait, these aren't running, so they're currently being used as steps, at least the one is. And of course, the elevator is out of commission for being modernized. But we can actually take a closer look at the inside of this escalator and kind of see how it works a little bit. You can see the handrail that comes up and kind of goes around right there. Kind of works its way down.